After-hours power failures happen about once a year in commercial kitchens. Fridges and freezers typically malfunction every 2 to 3 years, often after hours. Across the Meals on Wheels services we support, every site has experienced refrigeration failures with the potential for significant food loss. In each case, TempAssure's continuous temperature monitoring detected the issue early and helped prevent thousands of dollars in losses. Wireless temperature sensors are installed in fridges, freezers and cool rooms. All sensors report automatically to a single on-site gateway. The system runs quietly in the background. When everything is normal, there's nothing staff need to check. When they do look, clear trends show the full temperature history. Manual checks are no longer required, and records are kept audit-ready. The system works on any device, mobile phone, tablet or laptop, with no app required. This is how food safety risk is reduced, with less effort and confidence in every degree. To learn more, visit tempassure.com.au or email sales@tempassure.com.au.